Electropar is the leading New Zealand supplier of custom communication, electrical power distribution and transmission systems within New Zealand, and we are jointly responsible for supporting PLP's interests throughout Australasia and the Pacific Rim. Two key products Electropar has developed recently are the Underhung bus bar system and the Quick Disconnect System, or QDS. The QDS is a method of quickly disconnecting and reconnecting phase conductors and is primarily installed where a visual disconnection is required prior to maintaining electrical plant. The Underhung bus system is an ingenious, New Zealand designed and developed high voltage substation which in its simplest explanation minimises the substation footprint and foundations whilst enlarging operator working envelopes.
In 2010, Electropar's first underhung bus system was installed within Transpower's 220 kV Drury switchyard, located just south of Auckland. At the same site, we also installed our first ever quick disconnect system, consisting of QD connectors, QD keels and QD earthing trolleys. Prior to the Drury installation, we had successfully completed fault current testing of the QDS and bus system, as well as IEC 61284 heat cycle testing. This level of validation testing ensured we had no untimely surprises or sleepless nights prior to practical completion.